Don't you guys feel like you should be at the beach with that dog or that bird squawking? Okay, so today's opener is just going to be a quick review of what we're going to have on our test on Thursday. Solving equations, one-step equations with integers and fractions. So to get started, we have 1 negative 6a equals 20. Kelly, what am I going to do here? Okay. And then how do I get the a by itself?
You're going to add 6.
Why am I not going to add it?
Oh, you got to divide it.
Yeah, that 6 is touching the a, which means multiply. So we do the opposite and we divide by negative 6. Now, when I go over to my right side and I take 20 divided by negative 6, I'm going to end up with a decimal. So I'm going to have to rewrite 20 over negative 6 as a fraction in simplest form. But I have something wrong. I can't, if I would go to type in my fraction, 20 fraction bar negative 6, it's going to show me a syntax error. Why? What's wrong with how it's written right now? Negative at the bottom. You cannot have a negative at the bottom. So all you're going to do is just take your negative and move it to the top. So it's going to be negative 20 over 6. So all you have to do is just move that negative to the top. It's okay to do that. So now negative 20 over 6 in simplest form is going to be what?
Negative 10 over 3.
Negative 10 over 3. Do you guys all agree?
Yeah.
Don't forget your negative sign. So anytime you go to divide two numbers and they don't end up dividing out evenly, I want you to leave it as fraction form in simplest. So you need to fix that one. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one here. Circle my variable, draw my line. Kira, how do I get the b by itself here?
Subtract.
Subtract what?
Subtract 1 over 4.
And whatever I do to one side.
And do it to the other.
Okay. And Kira, what's 7/12 minus 1/4?
Negative 1 over 3.
Negative 1 over 3. You guys all agree? Check it because I'm not working it out longhand to check. So if somebody else came up with something different, you need to let me know. I don't know if I agree with that.
I got positive 1.
All right, I'm going to work it out by hand. So we have 7/12 minus 1/3. Common denominator is 12 times 4. So then I get 3 over 12. Then I get 1 over 4. I got something totally different.
Wow.
Oh, no, I see what I did. I see what I did. I see what I did. Anybody else see what I did? So then 4 over 12. You divided it by 4. You got 1 over 3. So yeah, so where's my error? It shouldn't be a negative 1/3. It should just be a positive 1/3. Okay, don't worry about this chicken scratching the red. You don't have to have that. Okay, moving right along. Daisha, how do I get the c by itself here? Good. And you got the right answer. So 5 times negative 2 is going to be negative 10. How many guys? Thumbs up if you got all 3 of them right. Thumbs in the middle if you got 2 out of the 3 right, and thumbs down if you only got 1 or none of them right.
I'm in the middle.
In the middle, that's all right. What one? Just the negative?
Yeah.
How many of you guys messed up on the first one and you added it? Make sure it gets you guys every time. Make sure you pay attention to that because you know there will be some on the test like that. All right, let's look at the last 3. Oh, just this next try, you guys are going to be so excited. I love it. Square roots and squares. We're going to have fun. Okay, let's see. Who haven't I heard? Danielle, how do I get the d by itself?
9 times 9.
I'm going to multiply each side by 9. Okay, so Danielle, when you take 5, 6 times 9, what did you get?
5 over 2.
5 over 2. and then box it. Do you guys all agree with Danier? Do you guys all agree with Danier?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, let's look at it real fast. What I do in red, you don't. So I'm going to take 5, 6 times 9 over 1,
No, I don't agree.
2, 3. Oh, I'm not either. I'm getting 15 over 2.
Got it.
Is that what you got?
Yeah, I already had.
Good job.
You have 15 over 2.
I got 5.
Oh, okay. She has it right on her paper. Man, does it feel like Monday? It kind of does, doesn't it? All right, let's go to the next one here. Circle my variable. Draw my line. Who can tell me how I'm going to get the e by itself on this particular one-step equation with fractions? Yeah, I'm going to divide by what?
5 over 8.
So,
Both sides.
there you go.
Bring the e down.
Okay.
Get the equal sign. And then it's going to be 10.
So 25 over 4 divided by 5 over 8, you got what?
10.
Yeah, I got 10.
Do you guys all agree?
Yeah.
I'd like to do the last one, please.
You'd like to do the last one, please? Sure. Come on, you need to get with it.
I
Oh, wait, last one. I'm just going to have you walk me through it today. Okay,
Oh.
so tell me what to do.
Alright.
Are you going to point on the board? Okay. Right? That always helps.
First, circle your variable,
Okay.
and then draw my line
All right. Now, where I'm picky, what do you have to do? Show me your work.
Opposite of add is minus.
Very good.
Put 5 over 6. Cross it out because we don't need it anymore.
That's right.
Now, go over here.
Okay.
Put minus 5 over 6.
Perfect.
Um,
Draw my line underneath.
yeah.
Okay.
Draw your line underneath. And you should get f equals negative 5 over 10.
Oop, I don't think that's going to be a right answer.
No, it's 18.
Here's 18 over
Here, let's just come down here and I'll work.
No. Negative 5.
What did you get? The reason why I know that wouldn't be the right answer is because that's not in simplest form. Go back and use your calculator. Take 5 ninths minus 5 sixths and see what you come up with. So we're going to take 5 ninths.
Would you share it one more time?
There. What did you get?
Negative 5.
Over what?
It was actually a mistake because so.
Does that look better, you guys?
No, because they ain't got no box.
Wow. Nice. Good. Yeah. You had it right on your paper. You just told me. All right. Nice job.